Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Manchester and we are on the Winston Jones Highway, and this road is also known as the Mandeville bypass. It was named after Winston Jones, who was a very popular politician in Mandeville. But it was originally built as the Mandeville bypass. So a lot of the main towns in Jamaica, bypasses were built. You have the Spanish Town bypass, the Maypen bypass, and you have the Mandeville bypass. You even have Santa Cruz bypass, but it's much smaller. So the reason why this was done was before you had highways, you had to drive through these towns to get across the island on the south coast. And some of these towns were small and congested, and it could take a long time to drive through these towns. So these bypasses were built so that you could pass, you could use these roads instead of going through the actual town, and it would save a lot of time. But now we have highways, and the highways will save even more time. Currently, Highway 2000, that's a highway that runs through the island, or the inland of the island. That highway runs to Maypen now, and the Maypen to Mandeville leg is under construction. And then after that's finished, they'll build another leg and another leg until Highway 2000 runs from Kingston to Montego Bay. But for now, the highway ends in Maypen, so you would merge with the Maypen bypass and continue on your journey. Alright, so we turn left there now. We would go into Mandeville. Turn left here, we head towards Santa Cruz, Spur Tree Hill. Turn left here, we go up to Mile Gully. And turn left here, we go back on the Winston Jones Highway.